We now take up first question. If DAB equals 60 degrees, ABD equals 50 degrees, then ACB is equal to A. 60 degrees, B. 50 degrees, C. 70 degrees, D. 40 degrees. D plus A plus B equals 180 degrees by angle sum property. Therefore, D plus 60 degree plus 50 degrees equals 180 degree. Hence, D equals 70 degrees. Therefore, C equals 70 degrees, angle on the same side. Answer is C. Find angle R, as angle O is equal to 48 degrees. Hence angle RI equal to 48 degrees divided by 2 equals 24 degrees, since angle made at the center is twice that of made at alternate sector. Since BD is a diameter, therefore, angle C is equal to 90 degrees, angle of semicircle. Angle B is equal to 58 degree, angle on the same segment. Therefore, in triangle BCD, B plus D plus B equals 180 degree. 58 degree plus X plus 90 degree equals 180 degree. Hence, X equals 32 degree. BD is a diameter. Therefore, angle BCD is equal to 90 degree and angle B is equal to 58 degrees, angle on the same side of chord DC. Triangle BCD is a right triangle. Hence x degree plus angle B equals 90 degrees. Hence x degree equals 90 minus 58 equals 32 degrees. A, B and C lie on the circle with center O equals 3x jod 2 degree and ABC equals 5x degree. Find the value of x. From the figure, 360 degree minus 3x plus 22 degree equals 2. 5x equals 10x. Therefore, 3x plus 22 plus 10x equals 360 degrees, or 13x equals 360 minus 22 equals 338. Hence, x equals 26 degrees. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral such that AB is the diameter of the circle circumscribing it and ADC equals 140 degrees. Then find BAC. From the figure, ABCD is cyclic. Therefore, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Hence 140 degrees plus D equals 180 degrees. Hence angle D equals 40 degrees. Now since AD is diameter, therefore, angle ACD equals 90 degrees. Therefore, angle BAC equals 90 degrees minus 40 degrees equals 50 degrees. F, G, H and J are points on the circle. EFG is a straight line parallel to JH. Find the value of y. AFG is a straight line. Therefore, 1 plus 2 equals 180 degrees, or 2 equals 180 minus 108 equals 72 degrees. But 2 plus 3 equals 180 degrees, being cyclic, hence 72 plus 3 equals 180 degrees. Therefore 3 equals 180 minus 72 equals 108 degrees. Now, line EFG is parallel to JH. Therefore, 72 jod y equals 180. Y equals 180 minus 72 equals 108 degree. A, B, C, D and A lie on the circle with center Omicron. Angle AAB equals 35 degrees. Angle ODA equals 28 degrees and angle ACD equals 109 degrees. Work out the following angles, giving reasons for your answers. I. Angle ABD equals E. Angle AAD equals. Since OD equals OA, therefore, angle 1 is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle O equals 180 degrees minus 56 equal to 124 degree. Hence angle B is equal to half of 124 degree equal 62 degree. Since angle A or angle B are on the same side of chord AF, hence equal. Therefore, angle A is equal to 62 degrees also. P, Q, R, S and L on the circle with center Omicron. angle PST equals 75 degrees and angle QTS equals 85 degrees. Find the values of V, W, X and Y. In triangle TSA, angle 1 equals 180 degrees minus 85 plus 75 equals B's degree, hence angle 2 equals 20 degrees, equal or opposite angle. Now V equals 2 into 75 degrees equals 150 degree in triangle AOP. Y equals 180 degrees minus 150 plus 20 degree. Therefore Y equals 10 degrees. Now X equals half of 150 degrees equals 75 degrees, but X equals W equals 75 degree, hence X equals W equals 75 degrees. V equals 150 degrees. Y equals 10 degrees. Prove that the quadrilateral formed, if possible, by the internal angle bisectors of any quadrilateral is cyclic. AH, BG, CF or DA are angle bisectors of angles A, B, C or D. In triangle AED, angle 1 equals 180 degrees minus 2 plus 3. Similarly, we can show that 1 dash equals 180 degrees minus 2 dash plus 3 dash. Adding both equations, we get 1 plus 1 dash equals 360 degrees minus 2 plus 2 dash plus 3 plus 3 dash. Equation 1. Now in quadrilateral ABCDA plus B plus C plus D equals 360 degrees. AB2 plus B2 plus CBY2 plus DBY2 equals 180 degrees, or 2 plus 2 dash plus 3 plus 3 dash equals 180 degrees. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, 1 plus 1 dash equals 360 degrees minus 180 degrees equals 180 degrees. Hence ABCD is cyclic. AB is the diameter of the circle. CD is a chord equal to the radius of the circle. AC and BD when extended intersect at a point E. Prove that AAB equals 60 degree. We have to prove AAB equals 60 degrees. Join CO, DO, CB. Triangle COB is equilateral. Angle COD equals 60 degrees. Therefore, angle CBD equals 1/2 of 60 degrees equals 30 degrees. Now in triangle ACB, angle BCE equals 90 degrees. Therefore, angle A equals 180 minus 90 जोड़ 30 degree equals 60 degrees.